Welcome back, everyone. So now coming to the session that we all were waiting for since last 1 week. Ever since we announced, we got so many questions and so many positive feedbacks that we wanted to listen to Abhishek. We wanted to listen to Pratik Gandhi as well. So starting with Abhishek, I think before I introduce him, I think I'll just tell all of you that both the celebrities today, Abhishek Jain and Pratik Gandhi, have two things in common. Both of them, they had a dare to dream. They dreamt what they wanted. And second is they are a testimony to the fact that it takes years of hard work and commitment to become an overnight success. We are proud of both of you. Being from Gujarat, we are extremely proud. And with Abhishek, I think the movies that he has done, Kevita Jaish, Beyar, Wrong Side Raju, Vittal Tidi, I think I'll just say in one word, one sentence, he is the one who has changed the way we look at Gujarati cinema. So thank you, Abhishek. Before I invite him, let me for the benefit of all, introduce him. A minute to introduce him. I think though he requires no introduction, I think he's a very famous face now. I'll just tell him that Abhishek Jain is a filmmaker and a founder of Cineman Productions Limited. At the age of 26, he got recognized as the Trendsetter of the Year 2012 award, followed by Innovation Archivers Award for contribution to films and advertisement by the Gujarat Innovation Society. He has spent 9 years of his childhood doing theaters, got a degree in management, and joined the very prestigious Whistling Woods Institute to pursue his further studies in filmmaking. Abhishek has the unique distinction of working with some of the top-notch filmmakers of Bollywood. He was assistant director to Subhash Ghai for the film Yuvraj and Black and White. Later, he was associated director with Sanjay Leela Bhansali films for the movies Guzarish and Chenab Gandhi. He has also assisted Ram Madhwani, the director of Nirja, for advertising campaigns. After successfully paving into Gujarati cinema, his company Cineman has now got into 2 film production deal with Maddox Films for making Hindi feature films as well. Abhishek has just completed the shoot of his first Hindi remake feature film titled as Hum Do Hamare Do, starring Rajkumar Rao, Kirti Sanan, Paresh Rawal, Ratna Patak Shah, and Apar Shakti Khurana. Keeping the advent of the new-found audience based at OTT platforms, Abhishek has recently launched his latest venture, Oho Gujarati, which is Gujarat's first premium content streaming platform catering to the Gujarat audience globally. He has also penned a biographical book, Aa To Just Vaat Chhe, which talks about his journey of making Gujarati feature film. This book has already gained the stature of being a handbook on making of Gujarati films for youngsters. A truly inspirational person. I'll just say one word that truly defines him is passion. And I would now request Abhishek Jain to please address all of us.
Hello, Harit. Hi. Hello, everyone. I am not sure if I am visible enough or if I'm audible enough also.
You are perfectly audible and visible, Abhishek.
Thank you, Harit. इतना अच्छा लंबा introduction देने के लिए thank you. I hope everyone is safe and everyone is doing fine. आप लोग जिस तरह से हरित ने मुझे बताया कि जिस तरह से हर वीक आप लोग मिलते हैं और ये conversations बढ़ती हैं. It's a commendable job because sitting home and working or over the laptop meetings are not that easy. I am still finding my way to acclimatize myself to work remotely, but it's a commendable job that you guys are doing. Yes, Harit. So you must help me. Let's shoot with questions. Or
yes, Abhishek, absolutely. So हमने Abhishek
मेरा और हरित का रिलेशन ऐसा है कि मैं हम लोग तो मतलब दोस्त हैं तो हम क्या बात करें वैसा है.
But Abhishek, you will not believe. I think जिस दिन से हमने launch किया है, we have got so many questions that people want to ask you. हमने we have a paucity of time, तो हम लोगों ने कुछ 8-9 questions select किए हैं. So I'll just should throw that questions to you. First of all, Abhishek, we all want to know your success mantra.
To be honest, Harit, there is no mantra that I know of which can define as a success mantra. What I really understand is जो मैंने obviously मेरे पिताजी से और जो हमारे परिवार के लोग हैं उन्हीं से सीखा है कि मेहनत करो और अपना काम करते जाओ. बाकी मंत्र जैसा कुछ है नहीं सक्सेस को लेकर के या फेलियर को लेकर के. आउटकम का इतना कभी ख्याल रखा ही नहीं है. सो देयर इज नो सक्सेस मंत्रा पर से, बट जो काम करते हैं वो बड़ी ऑनेस्टी से करने की कोशिश करते हैं, इंटेंट साफ रखने की कोशिश करते हैं और बाकी सारी जो चीज़ें हैं वो फॉलो करती है. मैं तो इसी में बिलीव करता हूँ. तो कोई फॉर्मूला या मंत्र नहीं है.
Absolutely, Abhishek, and I think this thought we all will take back. हम लोग भी इसको will follow it very nicely. Now coming to the next question, out of all the movies that you have directed or you were involved in, which is your most favorite film and why?
Obviously my first film, क्योंकि उस समय तक 2010 में मैंने ये फिल्म लिखना शुरू किया था. तब गुजराती फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा कोई ट्रेंड नहीं था कि फिल्में थिएटर मतलब मल्टीप्लेक्सेस में रिलीज हों या लोग जाकर के उसके लिए 200 300 500 रुपया दें. तो it was a challenge that we wanted to take up and something exciting for us that we wanted to attempt. So we started writing the film and mounting the film, and we released the film in 2012. So Kevirte Jaish was my first film, and that still remains my dearest and closest to my heart, because I have learned everything that possibly I could learn, and I have failed in maximum ways that I could possibly fail in while I was making Kevirte Jaish. Or yeah, that remains my favorite film.
No, thank you. But I think वो प्रतीक गांधी ने बोला था ना, सक्सेस क्या है, फेलियर के बाद का चैप्टर. So I think that is absolutely fitting here. So next question to you, Abhishek, is congratulations on the launch of Oho Gujarati streaming platform. We are all curious to know how did you come up with the name Oho?
Okay, तो बेसिकली थोड़ी सी लंबी कहानी है कि 2 साल पहले हम लोग ये सोच रहे थे कि दूसरे लैंग्वेजेस में, दूसरे रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस में देयर आर OTT platforms, like Bengali has an OTT platform, Telugu has an OTT platform, Malayalam just had an OTT platform. Then why can't Gujarati language has its own regional OTT platform? Thus, we thought of creating our own OTT platform. However, मैं फिल्मों में गया इसलिए था क्योंकि मुझे आंकड़ों से भागना था. मेरे को आप लोगों के जैसे क्वांटिटेटिव सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं समझ में आते थे. तो पर मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि घूम फिर के आंकड़े मेरे सामने आके खड़े हो जाएंगे, and I will have to address that. So when I mean this is that whenever you think about a new venture, whenever you think about a new idea, you have to bring in all the facets of finance, and you have to bring in all the facets of accounting into the place. And that's where CAs come, and I and CAs have a huge, you may say, animosity, because वो हमेशा ये आपका प्लान क्या है, आपके पेपर्स दिखाओ, और हमारे पास में कुछ होता नहीं है. तो बट हाँ, ये सब पहले की बातें हैं, लेकिन अब धीरे धीरे मैं थोड़ा सा ऑर्गेनाइज हो चुका हूँ इन टर्म्स ऑफ माय बिजनेस. बट व्हाट आई वांटेड टू से इज दैट when 2 years back I started thinking about this idea, I was told that you better this time organize it well, you have everything in place and keep it absolutely organized, don't go unorganized. And we started this process, and that's when it became like a startup, like a tech startup. And it was a new business for me. I have so far into entertainment and content creation. This was a tech startup for me. So that's when we thought that, okay, let's create a company, and then let's have a brand under the company, and that brand should be named something. So coming back to your main question about Oho, we wanted to name a brand that is not a very concrete name, but a slang of sort. And ओहो एक ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन है which encompasses all the emotions. So अगर आप अचंभित हैं तो आप ओहो ऐसे कहते हैं. अगर किसी की सैड न्यूज होती है तो आप सैडली ओहो. तो that's how this has got different sounds, and that sound mnemonic worked for us because that helps you express all different kind of genres that this OTT platform would encompass. Also, eventually we want to branch out in different languages, not only in Gujarati, but maybe say Marwadi, or maybe say Marathi, or say Punjabi. So Oho is something that is nationwide known as a Udbhav expression. So we won't face any issue otherwise.
Wow, I think we all would love to see more on that. Abhishek, coming to the next question. So COVID has had a massive impact on the world of cinema. So do you think online streaming is the way forward now?
No, not really. I have been asked this question by a lot of people कि अब कोविड के वजह से लोगों की आदतें छूट जाएंगी थिएटर में जाकर फिल्म देखने की, या फिर अभी OTT प्लेटफॉर्म ने इतना टेक ओवर कर लिया है कि अब कोई सिनेमा में नहीं जाना चाहेगा. मैं हमेशा से ऐसा मान के चलता हूँ कि एक नया स्ट्रीम खुला है. ઓલું ગુજરાતીમાં કહેવાય છે ને કે બીજાની લીટી ટૂંકી નથી કરી, પોતાની લીટી લાંબી કરી છે. So that's the intention, that it is a new stream that people are going to enjoy, and media and entertainment has evolved over the years. पहले आप सिर्फ एक नाटक देखते थे, नाटक में से फिल्म और पर्दे पर आए, फिर भी नाटक और फिल्म दोनों चलते रहे. उसके बाद में टीवी आया तो फिल्म, टीवी, नाटक तीनों चलते रहे. अब ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म अगर आया तो फिल्म, टीवी, नाटक, ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म, ये सब चलता रहेगा. दिस ऑल कोएग्जिस्ट, and the eventual beneficiary is the consumer, because he is getting various options to, seek entertainment from, and that is making it the most wonderful exercise in the in the entertainment industry. And it's just about 60-70-year-old industry, and it has evolved so fast and gradually only picking pace. So it is not going to eradicate cinema loving or theater going people.
Absolutely. So Abhishek, we all know you as a game changer in Gujarati cinema. The question now is that we all are excited for your Bollywood debut as well. Hum do hamare do. How is the project going and when the expected release?
Harit, I have never been so occupied and busy that I have been during the pandemic time. तो लास्ट ईयर जब से पैंडेमिक हुआ, मैंने जिंदगी में इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स 10 साल के मेरे करियर में नहीं किए जितने इसमें कर दिए थे. तो लास्ट ईयर आई कंप्लीटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर माय फिल्म रिमोटली. ऐसे जूम पर बैठ करके हमने फिल्म की लोकेशंस देखी हैं, कास्टिंग की है, टीम से बातें की हैं, चर्चाएं की है. 8-8, 10-10 घंटे ये जूम कॉल्स चलते थे. तो वो प्री प्रोडक्शन वगैरह सब खत्म किया और लास्ट ईयर ही हमने उसका शूटिंग भी खत्म कर दिया. इन मिडल ऑफ कोविड, for 60 days we were wearing, every day we were wearing PPE suits and masks and whatnot, double mask and all that, and we were like aliens on the earth, and we were moving around and shooting film under the heat and breeze and everything. So that got shot, and now we are waiting for the right time to release it. अभी edit और बाकी सब post production का काम चल रहा है, वो भी सब remotely चल रहा है. तो मैं वही सोच रहा था कि जिस तरह से आप लोग ये कॉन्फ्रेंस रिमोटली कर रहे हैं, थोड़ी बहुत दिक्कतें तो फेस कर ही रहे होंगे, बिकॉज मीटिंग पीपल, टॉकिंग टू देम, नेटवर्किंग अलोंग विथ इज अ डिफरेंट केस ऑल टुगेदर, एंड डूइंग दिस वे इज अ लिटिल ऑड, बट फिर भी आप लोग जो इतने समय से करते आ रहे, हैट्स ऑफ टू ऑल ऑफ यू. तो यस, हमारे तो हैज बीन शॉट लास्ट ईयर, एंड नाउ वी आर अवेटिंग द राइट टाइम टू रिलीज इट वंस थिएटर्स ओपन अप.
Absolutely. Thank you, Abhishek. I think COVID has taught us one thing, it has all taken us 10-15 years ahead. हम लोग जो सोच नहीं सकते थे वो हम कर रहे हैं. वी आर दिस मूवमेंट जो हम लोग अभी कर रहे हैं, फिजिकली यू विल नॉट बिलीव, मोर देन 1,000-1,500 पीपल आर जॉइनिंग अस डेली ऑन अ Zoom platform doing Zumba, yoga, tabata, other activities. So वो indirectly it's connecting all of us from across the country. So yes, this is the plus point that we all should take forward. And yes, hats off to you for working extremely hard in pandemic. लोगों ने काफी रिलैक्स भी किया है, but I think you have taken it the right choice when you went ahead with the film. So next question to you is, obviously everyone want to know that what are your some words of inspiration that you would want to give to youngsters and budding chartered accountants?
यार, बडिंग चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स को तो मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा कि यार मेरा जीव खाना बंद करो, आंकड़े मुझे नहीं समझ में आते. No, but on a very serious note, Harit, I am no one to give any sort of advice. CAs they may seem like demon in the beginning of your career, but then eventually they are the ones who come across as boon to you in your life. So hats off to all of you. मुझे झेलने के लिए जितने भी लोग हैं, मैंने मेरे कई CA दोस्तों को फोन करके परेशान किया है, क्योंकि सारा कचरा और सारा गड़बड़ जब आप कर देते हो, उसके बाद भी आपको CA याद आता है. तो उनको मैंने बड़ा परेशान किया है. तो थैंक्स टू देम फॉर हैंडलिंग मी एंड टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माय my mess. But I think the amount of discipline, the amount of planning, and the amount of organizational behavior that CAs have, I think I've not seen that. Maybe I come across a lot of CAs on daily basis because I'm a Marwadi and I'm in Ahmedabad, but otherwise also I've not seen such a huge disciplined community. Also हम कई ऐसे professionals को बहुत ज़्यादा, obviously उन सबको हमें reward करना चाहिए. We are all grateful to them, but we should also be grateful to those people who are working day and night, and they are running the economy of this country. They are running your own economy and your own houses. So hats off to CAs. They are the most underrated and untalked about community. आप लोग 5-5, 6-6 साल पढ़ाई में निकाल देते हो, इतने तो मतलब झेलने को हमें ताकत ही नहीं है, और उसके बाद में इतने सारे हम जैसे लोगों को झेलना भी पड़ता है. So I don't think I can give any words of inspiration to anyone, but आप बस मुझे इंस्पायर करते रहो, और मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा मैथमेटिक्स सीखता रहूं. मेरा तो संडे का नियम है, ये मेरा फोल्डर यही पड़ा है, ये मुझे दे दिया गया है ऑफिस में से, सारे ट्रायल बैलेंस और बैलेंस शीट सब चेक करने का है। संडे का दिन ये सब चीजों में दे दिया गया है।
So अभिषेक, फिर तो एक सीए के ऊपर भी एक फिल्म बनती है. I think that is something
You
that should
won't
be on
believe,
a plan.
I want to really make a web series on like how you have aspirants ना,
हाँ
जो
हाँ.
इंजीनियरिंग के बारे में बात करता है टीवीएफ का. आई वांट टू मेक अ वेब सीरीज ऑन सीएस बिकॉज़ यू आर इन अहमदाबाद. You know, CAs are all across. CA coaching institutes are all across. So
Right. No, but especially Abhishek, I would want you to give a few tips to the youngsters. I was reading one of your interviews wherein you mentioned about how opinion matters. You know, in this world where people don't give their opinion, it is very important to have one opinion. So something on that you would want to share with all the youngsters.
all right. So जो मतलब जो भी कुछ मैंने सीखा है इन सालों में लोगों को मिल करके, और कई तरह के लोगों को मिला है. वी आर फॉर्चुनेट इनफ टू बी इन अ फील्ड वेयर यू create your own different world and you meet a lot of different kinds of people, and that interaction really helps you. It gives you a world view. What I've realized is that everyone in a way in today's time, because of the advent of social media and the influx of digital media around us, has somewhere forgotten to internalize, to think within, and to bring up their own opinion. We are so influenced by the opinions of the world around us that we don't think by our own selves, and we are just copying and we are imitating others. I think to be able to find your originality, to be able to find like how we think about a USP in a product. We ask for a unique selling proposition in a product. I'm not saying we are all products, but what is our unique proposition that we have, which is only me and not others, is very important in today's generation. Otherwise, we'll all will look same. I mean, we have started looking same. Look at a certain age of youngsters. They all are clothing similar. सबकी पैंट्स एक तरीके की है, सबकी शर्ट्स एक तरीके की है, सब कुछ एक जैसा होता जा रहा है. There is no sense of originality, and we'll miss all of this eventually over the years.
Absolutely well said, Abhishek. Now coming to one thing, we want to know one motivation factor that you had during a period of struggle, when which gives you a inner voice that give it one more time. What motivated you that you would want to share with all of us?
I think what has kept me motivating is that I don't really, and this might sound very strange, but I don't really plan a lot. I don't overthink. I don't think a lot. I take the day as it goes, because I know one thing for sure. I do have an umbrella plan in my head, but I'm not too desperate about following that plan very strictly. And you know how you hear these motivational books. I mean, how you hear these motivational speeches and read from these books. Okay, plan for these many years. Plan, do this, that. You must, you may plan, but you should not get stuck to the plan so much that you miss on living in today's time. And what has motivated me is to not think too much, and not think too much about failure also. So there is no fear of failure. मैंने शून्य से ही शुरुआत की थी. मेरे परिवार में कोई फिल्मों में है नहीं, मेरे आसपास कोई फिल्मों का है नहीं. तो अगर मैं कुछ गलत भी कर लेता हूँ, या कुछ गड़बड़ भी हो जाती है, या फेल भी हो जाता हूँ, तो I have something to fall back on, and I have nothing to worry about. And so that has kept me going a lot. And that has not, because in this industry, it is very easy. You are very, very vulnerable, where insecurity will seep in, and that insecurity can kill you. There are so many mental health issues today that people are facing generally also, and especially this industry, is because of the insecurities that people develop. The fear of failure is curbing them. So if you don't have the fear of failure, so you will not be insecure, and you will be mentally fit, and that is more important.
Wow, very well said, Abhishek. So last two questions. One is, so you all want to know who is your inspiration?
There is no one person who is my inspiration, but I would say that first reference for any child is his own family member. So my father is my inspiration, and then it's the world around me that is inspiring me always.
Perfect. And last question, I think since this movement 73 is all about fitness and health, and since you are also super fit, I want to know from you, and in fact, everybody wants to know your fitness mantra. How do you keep your fitness routine in spite of such hectic work schedules?
Abhi, Harit, you are seeing my mugshot. That is why you are calling me fit. If you see me in the mugshot, you would know that I'm not that fit. But in my profession, I give importance to two things. One is sparing 1 hour to yourself for your physical activity, and sparing 1 hour to yourself for your mental activity, for your mental health. To be mentally fit is equally important, and to be physically fit is equally important. So I personally like to walk. So I keep so I have a routine of walking around 8 to 9 kilometers in the morning. So I walk because I like to walk, and that helps me think a lot also. So that is my fitness routine. Apart from that, wherever I find this Pratik has taught me, whenever you find time and wherever you go, if you're visiting someone, अगर वो बिल्डिंग के 5वें माले तक रहता है या उसकी ऑफिस 5वें फ्लोर तक है, 6ठे फ्लोर पर अगर आपको जाना है तो वहां से आप लिफ्ट ले लो, लेकिन अगर 5 फ्लोर तक है तो यू कैन ऑलवेज टेक स्टेयर्स. And that is how, and ask Pratik about this, and you must ask how he has got these formulas about keeping yourself physically engaged and active round the day. So he will tell you that don't give 2 hours at one go if you don't have enough time, but how you can spread across your 15 minutes round the time in 24 hours and keep yourself fit. So I have learned a lot about fitness from Pratik. I have not followed him enough, but I've learned a lot, and I will probably follow.
Wow, wow. So Abhishek, I think अपने वो सीए की वेब सीरीज की बात किया, got so many WhatsApp as of now कि अगर बनाओ तो हमको रोल जरूर देना. So there are a lot of CAs who are so willing to act in that web series. Amazing.
अकाउंटिंग फाइल्स भेज दूंगा, सामने रोल दे दूंगा.
It'll be a partner. Yes, yes, yes. So Abhishek, anything else? We have a minute. Anything else that you want to share? Any audience, if you have any other question
If
to
anyone
ask
has
Abhishek?
any question, I am ready to answer.
So we are getting a lot of positive feedback. Everybody is happy to you, quite down to earth and appealing. So everybody is very happy to hear you, Abhishek. And if you have
I
any
agree.
questions,
Actually, I was not audible at that time
Oh,
due to
I can't see. Hello. Is there a question for me?
no, I think there's no
Okay,
question.
so someone just asked a question on the chat. This thing, right age for theater for kids. This is Purvi Parikh. So should I answer this, Harit?
Yeah,
Do we have enough time to answer anything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please go ahead.
So I don't know what is the right age for theater for kids, but one as parent, because I am also a parent, it is very important to understand that whether your kid really needs that theater activity or not, because theater primarily is not for acting, it is more about communication in the initial stages especially. So if you think that he is communicative enough, or if you think that he is not communicative enough, and you think that you want to enroll him into theater, you must. And one forewarning for parents is that overnight, over 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year of theater practice is not going to make him an actor or not going to make him a theater professional. If you make him join something, at least think about it for 10 years or at least 5 years for that matter.
Abhishek, one more question regarding what inspired you to enter into film industry.
All my choices and decisions to come into film industry have been absolutely accidents. I am a management graduate from HL, and next we had to do was to attempt for CAT exam, CAT exam, and then get into MBA. But I didn't want to get into quantitative subjects, so I thought that I might not as well embarrass myself with low percentile and choose something else. So I was flipping newspaper one day and I thought, okay, this is fun. अगर कहानी कहने के लिए भी एक कोर्स होता है या एकेडमिक्स होती है तो मैं उसमें जाना चाहूंगा. That's how I got into film industry.
Yeah, just another question. I think if you're just looking. Yeah, so any specific book to read for directors' creative mind? Any book you can recommend?
I don't know if there is one book that I can recommend. There are a lot of books and a lot of reading is needed for any creative professional. But a book called The Hero with 1,000 Faces. It is not available in this country rather, but you may search for it online and order it. The Hero with 1,000 Faces by Joseph Campbell is an amazing book for creative minds.
Okay,
Someone
perfect.
mentioned about my brother that he is a fitness freak. He is indeed a fitness freak. अभी तक घर पे भी नहीं आया, वो अभी तक साइकिलिंग कर रहे हैं, 300-400 किलोमीटर साइकिलिंग करते जाते हैं. So yes, but मुझे तो डर ही लगता है वो इतना सारा साइकिलिंग करके पूरे निर्मा साबुन की तरह गल जाएंगे.
So Abhishek, last question. Real life and real life, how do you bifurcate while you are in the public life?
There is no real life as such for me, क्योंकि मैं तो कैमरा के सामने होता ही नहीं, मैं तो पीछे ही होता हूँ, तो वो भी सब रियल ही है, तो मेरे लिए सब कुछ रियल ही है, and there is no bifurcation. If that question is about how is real life portrayed on reel and how is real life, making an impact on the real life, then I think that's a longer answer to give. We can probably skip this right now.
Okay, Abhishek. So I think we are good to go. A lot of questions are done. So I would now thank you so much, Abhishek. I think it was great interacting with you, and thank you for also connecting us to Pratik. I think it's because of you that we can connect to him, and we all are waiting to even listen to him now.
Yes.
Before that, I would
request, and I will leave whenever I feel like, but I will see how Pratik starts.
Absolutely, and I would now request Homesh, if you can please propose a formal vote of thanks to Abhishek.
Sir, it was an amazing and fun-loving conversation. So I must note one point that you talked about, that it is a uniqueness. So be your original hero, be your own personality. Don't copy others. So it was a nice point. Nicely you have explained it. And sir, wish you very best for your upcoming projects. That is Hum Do and Hamare Do. We all are sure that the situation will get normal soon, and we will all go to see your film in cinema theater. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Nice to hear you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Abhishek. So we are just waiting for Pratik to join. Big welcome to Pratik Gandhi. I think from all of us, a big welcome to you, sir. Pratik and Abhishek, we both are really honored to have you at Movement 73. And I think since you have just joined, to both Abhishek ji and Pratik ji, I just want to convey something on the movement. The Movement 73 Mega Health and Fitness Initiative of Ahmedabad branch is a jointly conducted program with more than 86 branches of our country, with participants of more than 3,000 spread across the country. Every day morning, 7 to 8, we are doing some of the other physical activity with participants from 24 plus states, 230 plus cities, and having 50,000 plus man hours exercise so far. We are also very happy to share that our movement is also approved under the Fit India movement of Government of India. And today we are really honored to have Abhishek Jain and Pratik Gandhi join us for this Super Sunday. Thank you so much, sir, from all of us at Movement 73. Pratik ji, I'll just tell you one thing that, Scam 1992 is perhaps the only web series that I have watched so far. And binge watching क्या होता है मुझे तभी पता चला जब मैंने 2 दिन रात को जग के वो सीरीज कंप्लीट करी. And I am really so fascinated by your acting and the dialogues. तो हम लोगों ने कल हम बैठे थे, हम लोगों ने सोचा कि डायलॉग्स हमारे सीए में कैसे इम्पैक्ट करते हैं. तो आपको बताऊं सर, हमारे जो सीए के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो चेंज कर दिया सर. कोई पहले हमारा सीए का इतना टफ कोर्स है, कोई स्टूडेंट सपोज फेल होता था तो पहले यूज्ड टू गेट डिप्रेस्ड एंड ऑल. अभी वो बोलता है कि कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सक्सेस क्या है, फेलियर के बाद का दूसरा चैप्टर. और अगर वो बोलता है कि सीए में तुमने कुछ टॉपिक्स छोड़ दिए हैं तो रिस्क नहीं है, तो यही बोलता है कि सीए में सबसे बड़ा जोखिम ना लेने में है, रिस्क है तो इश्क है. और लास्ट में ये बोलता है अब मेरी तरह रिस्क से इश्क है तो कूद पड़ो, या तो डूबोगे या उड़ोगे. और सर ये स्टूडेंट्स ही नहीं, हमारे सीए मेंबर्स भी जो है वो भी आपके सारे डायलॉग से बहुत इंस्पायर्ड है. स्पेशली 2 डायलॉग सर जो आपका फेमस है, ओल्ड स्कूल हो या न्यू स्कूल, सबके सिलेबस में एक सब्जेक्ट कॉमन है, और सर प्रॉफिट हम सबका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है. और सर एक चीज हमसे आपसे भी सुनना चाहेंगे सर, लोचा लफड़ा और जलेबी फाफड़ा, इसे गुजराती की लाइफ से कोई नहीं निकाल सकता सर. हम सब गुजरात में अहमदाबाद में है सर, और हम 86 ब्रांचेस ऑल ओवर इंडिया सर आपको देख रहे हैं. यू आर अ रियली इंस्पिरेशनल फिगर फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. I would request you, before I request you, sir, I will request CA Meera Shah to just give a brief introduction of sir. Sir, आपको सब जानते हैं, but एक brief introduction as a normal courtesy हम करना चाहेंगे. Meera, please introduce sir.
Thank you, Harit sir. Very good morning to everyone. Today is a real super Sunday because we have some very special guests with us today after Mr. Abhishek Jain. Well, I think I have given the most redundant task of the day, that is introducing Mr. Pratik Gandhi, because he does not actually need an introduction. Sir, your name has become a household name as Harshad Mehta, not just in Gujarat but across the nation. Only last night I read that Scam 1992 is now #1 show on IMDb. It has beat Breaking Bad and Chernobyl. We are glad to have you here, sir, and on behalf of Ahmedabad branch of ICAI, IC and Neera Shah, take this opportunity to formally introduce you. I remember a year ago I watched a video of you working out with your family. In this movement 73, we also have such family workouts and we take inspiration from you. A little background for the audience. Pratik sir is an industrial engineer from Pune University, and he started working as an engineer in Reliance Industries in daytime and doing theatre in evening. He worked with National Productivity Council in Satara, Pune, and later also joined for multinational corporation in Mumbai. Pratik sir has found resounding success with his latest web series, Vittal TD and Scam 1992, which is streaming on Ovo Gujarati and Sony Live. He is portraying the character of Harshad Mehta, who has been in the news for his brilliance and fraud in stock market. Pratik Gandhi is a passionate and hard-working actor and has dabbled with different mediums such as theatre, movies, and now OTT platforms to showcase his talent. His induction to the world of stage staff happened at an early stage and has continued to light the spark within him. He is an artist who played between his passion for theatre and engineering and juggled between his corporate job and as an actor on stage. One of his notable monologues, Mohan's Masala, a monologue on Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, created his space when it entered the Limca Book of World Records, as the monologue was performed in 3 languages, Hindi, English and Gujarati, and on the same day at the same venue. His Gujarati films also have been done with success, such as They Are, Wrong Side, Raju, also became commercially and critically successful. It also went on to win the National Award for the Best Gujarati Film. Pratik sir exudes amazing energy and positive vibes. So without taking much time, I would like to say that કારણ કે માતૃભાષાની તો વાત જ કંઈક અલગ છે. પ્રતીક સર, તમને ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન અને આપના ભાવિ પ્રયાસો માટે ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છા. અનેક શુભેચ્છા. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Meera. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Meera, for this lovely introduction. I am really happy to be here. I find myself fortunate to connect to you all, guys, because I remember my early days when I was studying in Diploma Mechanical Engineering in Surat. और सूरत में एक लाइब्रेरी है, नर्मद लाइब्रेरी, जहाँ पर मैं पढ़ने जाता था और वहां पर मेरे आजू बाजू सिर्फ सीए स्टूडेंट्स बैठे रहते. सो मेरी पूरी लाइफ का जो मुझे इंस्पिरेशन मिला है वो डिसिप्लिन का, पढ़ाई का, एक परसिवियरेंस का, वो मैंने सारे सीए स्टूडेंट से ही लिया है. एंड आई गेस आई एम शेयरिंग दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम विद एनीवन. सो थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर इंस्पायरिंग मी थ्रू आउट, बिकॉज वो लोग एक साथ सुबह से बैठ के रात तक सिर्फ एक ही चेयर बैठ के सिर्फ पढ़ते रहे, और ये मैं तब समझ ही नहीं पाता था कि यार ऐसे कोई कैसे पढ़ सकता है. बट आई नो दैट हाउ डिफिकल्ट दिस वर्ल्ड ऑफ सीए इज, एंड आई एम एन इंजीनियर. आई आल्सो लाइक मैथमेटिक्स, बट माय मैथमेटिक्स इज डिफरेंट देन योर्स. तो इनफैक्ट जब स्कैम के लिए तैयारी कर रहा था तो मुझे तो फाइनेंशियल वर्ल्ड के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीखना पड़ा, क्योंकि मेरा दूर दूर से कोई रिश्ता नहीं. सो हेड्स अप टू यू गाइस, यू मैनेज नंबर्स लाइक एनीथिंग. आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन इंस्पायर्ड बाय दिस एंटायर कम्युनिटी ऑफ सीएस. और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि मैंने सीएस को फिटनेस के साथ जुड़ते हुए पहली बार इस इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे देख रहा हूँ. सो कुडोस टू यू. आई वुड टेल यू कि जैसे अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन में भी बताया कि ये बहुत फेमस डायलॉग है कि लोचा लफड़ा और जलेबी फाफड़ा को गुजराती की लाइफ से कोई नहीं निकाल सकता, जो आज के लिए फिट नहीं बैठता है, क्योंकि आज आपको निकालना पड़ेगा लोचा लफड़ा जलेबी फाफड़ा सबसे, बिकॉज आप लोग फिटनेस को अपनी लाइफ में लाना चाह रहे हो, एंड फिटनेस इज माई फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट. So I'm really happy to be here, guys. Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you so much, sir. I think जिस दिन हमने सर अनाउंस किया कि आप आ रहे हैं, we were flooded with questions. हम लोगों ने 8-9 क्वेश्चन सिलेक्ट किए हैं सर, जो आपको हम will like to ask you, sir. So first question, yes sir. So sure, Scam 1992 changed your life. What was the first reaction when you read the script of Scam 1992? Did you know reading the script that it will be a mega hit?
Okay, so I had no clue whether it will become a mega hit or not. But one thing was sure, when I was told about the script and the subject and all, that this is something very special, and it will change a lot of things in my life. I got that feel, when I read it for the first time, and it's a detailed script of 550 pages. So it was a detailed research document. I had multiple workshops with my writers also, because I had to understand the whole world But yeah, it gave me that goosebumps moment, you know, कि इसमें कुछ तो है जो बहुत important है, बहुत interesting है.
सर अभी वो भी था कि we are equally excited to see you in Bollywood also soon. So any comments on that, sir?
Oh, so there are a couple of projects that I have signed. एक फिल्म का तो announcement हो भी गया है, which is with Taapsee Pannu, that is Roy Kapoor's film production company, which we will be shooting by the end of this year. Apart from that, I'll be doing a couple of mainstream web series also, जिसका भी announcement जल्दी होगा.
Great, sir. So sir, next question is, sir, you are a superstar now. So do you feel any difference in your life, or is everything the same as before?
See, personal life में ऐसा कोई major change नहीं है. What changed is, people around me and the way they started looking at me now. I am still the same person. I guess industry has taken me more seriously now. So I'm being offered more projects. People are more confident to work with me in their projects. So those things have definitely changed. But I don't think I've changed as a person.
तो कभी ऐसा हुआ है सर पब्लिक में आपको रिकॉग्नाइज लोगों ने बुलाया और बोला हर्षद मेहता बोला और नहीं प्रतीक गांधी, so that common question everybody would be having.
Yeah, that happens a lot. In fact, that has become my new identity now. The people ask for stock market tips. People call me Harshad Mehta. They want me to say those lines and dialogues and all.
Great, sir. So sir, we all know about your great acting skills and the work that you have done. What is that one thing that we don't know about you?
There are a lot of things, yeah. Like my handwritings are really bad. Very, very bad handwritings. I can't cook anything. I am still learning. So that is one thing, because I have worked, I've portrayed a character of chef in multiple films, but I can't cook for real. Other thing is, there are a lot of such things, yeah. Trivias. मतलब बहुत लंबा list होगा ये भी.
No, sir, we all share a lot of common things, sir. In that manner, we all are common in that manner, sir. Sir, who is your inspiration? We all would love to know that.
My inspiration was my father. He will always be my inspiration.
So, sir, Gujarat is what connects and resonates us with you. What do you like the most about Gujarat?
The most? I mean, I can't say any one thing that I like about Gujarat, because I guess Gujarat is me. I mean, I can't separate myself from myself. So whether it's people, the culture, the literature, the art, food, the family aspect of it, everything and anything. Gujarat is home to me. So.
सर मैंने आपका वो TEDx टॉक सुना था जो आपने बोला था ऑन द कॉस्ट ऑफ सक्सेस. इट वाज अ वेरी वेल डिलीवर्ड टॉक सर. वो 20 मिनट्स का टॉक सबके लिए बहुत इंस्पिरेशनल है. उसमें सर यू आर मेंशन अबाउट मल्टीपल पैशन डिसऑर्डर एंड दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच वी ऑल गो थ्रू सर. वो हम लोगों के लिए भी है कि हम लोग फोकस एक जगह नहीं कर पाते हैं, हम 10 चीजें एक साथ करते हैं. तो सर देयर इज अ डायलेमा, मैं मल्टीपल पैशन डिसऑर्डर करूं या कोई चीज पे फोकस करूं. सो हाउ डू यू मैनेज दैट सर?
I think if you have passion in multiple things, then you should give yourself to everything. And that's how I think about it. Because हम लोग सब उस माहौल में बड़े हुए हैं ना जहाँ पर लोग कहते हैं कि एक ही चीज करो, उसी पे फोकस करो. जैक ऑफ ऑल मास्टर ऑफ नन वाला हमने सबने सुना होगा कि अगर सब चीज दो तीन चीजें साथ में करना चाहोगे तो शायद किसी में अपना 100% नहीं दे पाओगे. बट ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है और ऐसा होता भी नहीं है. Because एक normal human being, he uses at the best 25% of his brain capacity. So we still have 75% untapped capacity of our brain. और body का तो ऐसा है जो कि I'm sure you have experts here who will also agree with this point कि human body का ऐसा है कि आप जितना चाहो उतना उससे निकाल सकते. So there is no limitation. I mean, these limitations are there in our mind. The same thing goes with workout also. जिस दिन हम 20 पुशअप्स करते हैं, 21वें पुशअप्स पे जो हम अंदर से एनर्जी निकालते हैं ना कि नहीं होगा, पर वो जो 21वां करते हो ना, दैट मेक्स यू मसल, नॉट दोस 20 पुशअप्स.
Absolutely, sir.
It's just that one last push-up will make your muscle, will give you that grit, will give you that power. The same thing goes with your passion. और मल्टीपल पैशन होना कोई बुरी बात नहीं लगता मुझे. इसमें ये सोचने की भी जरूरत नहीं कि प्लान ए प्लान बी, उसकी भी जरूरत नहीं. जस्ट फॉलो योर पैशन, गिव योर 100% and things will fall in place. At least this is what has worked with me.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, sir. I think it is a very well taken point, sir. Coming to the next question, sir, आपका हमने वो जो इंटरव्यू देखा था उसमें ये भी था कि आप बॉम्बे में how did you struggle, like balancing between job and acting and your passion. So what is one thing that motivated you to keep you going, sir?
I think again the answer is passion, because मुझे करना था, मैं कर रहा था. Nobody forced me to do this. Nobody asked me to do this. So I have nobody to blame. It's just that the moment I took full responsibility of myself, I had all the answers.
Right, sir. So next question is, sir, what are the words of inspiration that you would want to give to youngsters and to budding chartered accountants?
Well, I don't know whether I am capable of giving advice, but I can just share from my experience that what has worked for me might work for you all. And for all the youngsters also, that whatever you like, just keep at it. Be driven by positive energy and passion, and don't be driven by the fear. कि अगर ये नहीं करूंगा तो ये होगा, अगर ये नहीं किया तो पता नहीं मेरा क्या होगा. ये डर से नहीं, पर मुझे ये करना है, मुझे इसमें मजा आ रहा है, इस पावर से अगर कुछ करना शुरुआत करोगे तो शायद चीजें बदल जाएंगी. एंड दिस इज अ शिफ्ट, इट्स जस्ट अ शिफ्ट ऑफ थॉट. ये बहुत सिंपल सा एक शिफ्ट है माइंड का. ये हमने बहुत बुकिश भी लगता होगा, शायद बहुत क्लीशे भी लगता होगा, पर ये छोटा सा शिफ्ट अगर दिमाग में हो गया तो आई गेस योर वर्ल्ड विल बी डिफरेंट.
Wow, what a message, sir. Thank you, sir, for that. Coming to the last question, sir, before we have audience question as well. Since this Movement 73 is all about health and fitness, and since you are super fit too, sir, we want to know your fitness mantra. How do you keep yourself fit, your fitness routine, in spite of such hectic work schedules?
So I'll tell you what I do. See, I have kept myself absolutely free from any particular method. Okay. What I do is that there are a lot of people who keep saying कि यार दिन के आधा घंटा नहीं निकलता, 20 मिनट नहीं निकलता, बहुत काम है. Everybody is super busy in their own mind. So anybody who says this, that I don't have time to work out or I can't, एक ही सीधी बात है कि बहुत सारे लोगों को अलग अलग आदतें होती हैं. There are smokers, किसी को चाय की आदत होती है, किसी को फोन पे बात करने की आदत होती है, किसी को छोटे छोटे ब्रेक्स लेने की आदत होती है. So what I do is that if I am shooting for almost 17-18 hours a day, shoot से time नहीं निकल सकता, तो I take those multiple breaks of 5 minutes each. दिन के 4 ब्रेक भी अगर मैं 5 मिनट के ले लेता हूँ तो मेरी 20 मिनट की वर्कआउट ऐसे ही हो जाती है. So I break down my body in three parts: upper body, mid part and lower body. और मैं वो वर्कआउट 5-5 मिनट के ब्रेक्स में कर लेता हूँ. If its time is too short for me to work out, but I don't miss my workout. I eat everything in moderation. जितना पचा सकते वो सब खा सकते. इसमें कोई मेथड और कोई डिटेल में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, जहां पर आप you get bogged down in difficult mathematics, calculations of calories and everything, and then you don't want to do it. So I think ये बहुत बेसिक चीजें हैं कि फिटनेस शुड बी पार्ट ऑफ योर रेगुलर डे. जैसे आप खाना खाते हो, वॉशरूम जाते हो, पानी पीते हो, वैसे ही वर्कआउट भी करना चाहिए. उतना ही सिंपल बात है. इट्स लाइक जैसे मुझे किसी सीए ने कहा था कि मुझे उन्होंने इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में ऐसी सलाह दी थी कि ट्रीट योर इन्वेस्टमेंट लाइक योर एक्सपेंस, एंड you'll never go without it. Same thing goes with exercise, that treat your exercise like your daily course and you will do it.
Wow, what a thought, sir. Sir, अभिषेक से बात हो रहा था हमारा इसके पहले, and he shared that आप हमको बहुत सारे formulas बताएंगे, जैसे just walking the stairs, like for example 5 floors, 6 floors.
और बहुत सिंपल सी चीज है.
सर हमको और भी formulas जानने हैं सर आपसे. We all will be very eager to know all the formulas that you adopt in your life which can help us in our fitness routine.
और सर, तो नॉर्मल फॉर्मूला ऐसा है कि शुरुआत होती है घर के झाड़ू पोछे से. झाड़ू पोछे जैसी कोई एक्सरसाइज नहीं है दोस्त घर पे. स्क्वाट पोजीशन में जो आप झाड़ू पोछा करते हो ना, दैट इज वंडरफुल वर्कआउट टू स्टार्ट योर डे विद. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, स्टॉप हैविंग एलिवेटर्स. धीरे धीरे यू विल फाइंड योरसेल्फ क्लाइंबिंग अप टिल 30 फ्लोर्स. मतलब मैं ये सालों से कर रहा हूँ तो मैं 30-35 फ्लोर्स तक तो विदाउट लिफ्ट चढ़ जाता हूँ. Wherever you, दिन में कहीं भी जाना है आपको, तो ऑफिस में जाना आना बहुत होता होगा, तो जस्ट दोज सिंपल चेंजेस इन योर डेली लाइफ. जहां भी शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस पे जा रहे हो, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, तो अवॉइड व्हीकल्स, जस्ट वॉक, मल्टीपल ब्रेक्स, मतलब पानी का बॉटल साथ में लेके मत बैठो, दिन में एटलीस्ट 25 बार पानी पीने तो उठोगे, दैट इज ऑल्सो वर्कआउट. You're flexing your muscles, because I am sure you guys have long working hours where you are sitting in one chair and constantly, concentrating on computer and working. So I guess these kind of small breaks will help. बहुत सारी हाउस पार्टीज होती हैं गुजरात में, तो बहुत हाउस पार्टीज होती हैं, तो कभी कभार ये हाउस पार्टी शाम के बदले मॉर्निंग में रख के उसको, you can have workout parties also, full family. That's a very, very interesting, innovative thought that works very well. So all these small changes in your daily life, and I guess you will fall in love with fitness, because fitness ना एक दिन की बात नहीं है, fitness वो कोई destination भी नहीं है, it's a continuous journey that you enjoy.
Absolutely, sir. Very, very well said, sir. वो workout party तो हम सबको याद रहेगा, sir. We'll definitely start it and Ahmedabad straight away. Sir, coming to the next question that audience has asked us, what do you do to avoid distraction?
I don't know, yaar. I don't feel distracted. What? Again, the answer is passion. Because if I'm doing something with utmost love, then I don't get distracted. अगर कहीं कोई चीज बहुत फोर्सफुली कर रहे हो तो आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट भी बहुत आसानी से हो जाओगे.
Absolutely.
बाकी कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा.
वाओ. एंड सर एक क्वेश्चन ये भी है कि एंजाइटी और फेलियर से सर आप कैसे डील करते हैं? इंडस्ट्री में यू आर देयर सिंस सो लॉन्ग, हाउ डू यू डील विद एंजाइटी एंड फेलियर?
I think I want to keep myself very, very satisfied, so that there are no anxiety, there is no fear. और फियर और एंजाइटी का तो ऐसा है कि यहाँ तक भी पहुंचे हैं तो हम जो कर रहे थे उसी को करके पहुंचे हैं. तो डर का भी कोई स्कोप नहीं है और एंजाइटी का भी कोई स्कोप नहीं है. इनफैक्ट आई फील एंशियस सम टाइम, बट देन आई वांट टू कन्वर्ट दैट एंजाइटी इनटू एक्साइटमेंट.
Wow, converting anxiety into excitement, sir. Amazing thought. Sir, एक question ये भी है, if an Ahmedabadi wants to pursue acting, from where to start and how? What do you suggest to start acting?
I guess Ahmedabad is one of the best places if you want to pursue acting, because there are lots and lots of theatre groups which are active, super active. In very good theatre activities are happening there. Ahmedabad is also a hub for a lot of literature activities. So I guess you are in a best place. And in fact, the whole Gujarati industry, operates from Ahmedabad. Now there are a lot of OTT platforms coming up in Gujarati who are constantly producing Gujarati content. So yes, just keep at it, keep working. But yeah, I would suggest one thing, that be a part of any theatre group and keep practicing your craft.
Absolutely, sir. This keep practicing your craft. Even is true for us as chartered accountants. We also have to, sir, daily sharpen our skills. So last question to you regarding the passion. Somebody has asked, what is your turning point in your life?
The turning point in my life, I guess Scam has become a turning point in my life. It has become a biggest milestone now, because Scam was my first mainstream project, the biggest project of my career till now. And that changed a lot of things. So yeah, definitely I would say that Scam is a turning point of my life. Before that, whatever that I did, I was absolutely, completely driven by passion, and I was doing everything. Everything was a gradual progression, a natural gradual progression, because I started working in theatre, then theatre say Hindi films, Gujarati films say Hindi film. So बहुत natural progression था.
Thank you, sir. I think if our audience has any other question, we can take it. Please put it in the chat box. Yes, sir. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Sir, I am a very big fan of you, and my daughter, she is very big fan of you. She watches all your Gujarati movies, and I hope she is watching right now. So big thank you, sir, from me and my daughter and my family. We are very, very big fan of you, sir. Thank you so much for all this Scam and all these movies.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you, guys.
I think, sir, we'll be, before I go to the vote of thanks, I would, on behalf of the Ahmedabad branch and all the 86 branches, sir, I thank you for sparing your valuable time. Sir, आपके और अभिषेक के लिए मैं सिर्फ 3-4 लाइनें कहना चाहूंगा, सर. कुछ चेहरे यूं ही नहीं मुस्कुराया करते, रंग बसंती वो यूं ही नहीं उड़ाया करते, बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है सारा जहां महकाना, बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है सारा जहां महकाना, कुछ फूल दुनिया में यूं ही नहीं आया करते. So thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time today morning. I would request our branch secretary, C. Anjali Choksi, to propose a hearty vote of thanks.
Thank you, Chairman. On behalf of Ahmedabad branch of ICI, I, C. Anjali Choksi, Secretary of Ahmedabad branch, is highly grateful to Pratik Gandhi for sparing his valuable time for us. There are so many takeaways in just this half an hour session. We are really glad to know your inspiring personal and fitness journey. My takeaways would be: follow your passion, full responsibility for your own self, be driven by your positive energy, and eliminate the fear of failure. Thank you for guiding us on your theater front. Mind rules over body. And lastly, as our chairman is also fond of shairis, I will end with one dialogue of your own scam movie. Jare jebma rupiya hoy ne tyare kundડીમાં શનિ હોવાથી કશો જ ફરક નથી પડતો. I'm sure I cannot speak like you, but yes, salute your dedication and passion. Last 4 lines for you. મળી જાય આશાનીથી તેની ઈચ્છા કોને ના હોય. જીત તો મને મેળવવાની છે જે કિસ્મતમાં ક્યારેય લખ્યું ના હોય. I salute your passion, I salute your attitude, and wishing you all the very success in your upcoming projects. Thank you. A heartful thanks from Ahmedabad branch of ICAI.
Thank you very much. Thank you for this lovely words.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Good day, sir. Bye, sir. Bye.
Good day.
Bye. Thank you all participants for your overwhelming participation. See you on next Sunday. Thank you.